Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm excited because we are back with our technical exercise series. We are in Book 1, Group 2. This is going to be exercise number 8. So before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching the video. If you find it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And as always, you're always welcome to share my videos with your family and friends. Okay, so this exercise, we're going to be doing some, I'm so excited about it because this is going to be helping us work on our flexibility and by stretching out our hands. We're going to be doing both hands. We're stretching out into an octave. And don't worry if your hands aren't able to reach an octave just yet. That's okay. Hopefully through doing these exercises, you will become more flexible. Sometimes people just have small hands too, and maybe they can't ever reach an octave. And that's okay too. If you aren't able to reach the octave yet or ever, just do your best to stretch as far as you can. And hopefully with time, your hands through doing these exercises, especially if you're practicing every day, you should start to see yourself become more flexible. But again, we want to do it gently and slowly over time. We never want to overextend or to the point where it's painful. Okay, so we're going to start with the right hand here with our thumb on middle C, and we're going to hold that C down while we play other notes for 16 counts. So 4 measures of 4. And it's going to look like this. So we're going to hold this. We're going to count 1, 2. Then we're going to play D, E, F. Then when we get here, we're going to play our pinky on G, and we're going to continue on up with our pinky until we reach C. Hold that for 2 beats. Feel the stretch. And then we're going to come back down with our pinky on B, A, G. Notice how I'm still holding the C. I haven't let go. F, E, D. Now I will let go of the C and play it again. All right, so let me take you through that again slowly. Hope that makes sense. Please notice that my thumb is holding down the whole time until I get to the last measure, like this. So it's 1, 2, then we play 3, 4, 1, 2, use your pinky, 3, 4, hold for 2, 1, 2, come back down, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, lift your thumb, 1, 2, 3, 4. Our left hand is going to do the same thing going down. Let me show you the left hand once before we put it together. So it's going to be same rhythm, same principles, just the notes are in a different order. So we're going to play the C and hold it. 1, 2, then play B, A, G, F. Move your pinky down to E, D, C. Hold that for 2 beats and then come back in. D, E, pinky on F, then move to your 4 on G, A, B, then you play your C. And again, this thumb holds the C the whole time until you get to the last measure. All right, now this might feel a little weird. We don't normally do this, but it's just for the exercise. Both our thumbs, when we play this together, are gonna push down and hold the C. Maybe you'll find that easier to hold both thumbs down. You might find it helps you. Okay, so this is what it looks like when we put hands together. I'm gonna count as we play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to hold here for 2, 1, 2, come back together, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, let go, and play the C's again. You might at first find it difficult when you go to that first time you play the other note. You might find that your thumbs just come up and you're having a hard time holding them. Just go really, really slow. And really think about holding that C, pushing these notes down, not letting go of the D and the B, and then go to the next one. You might have to do it this slow at first, and that's totally okay. Then eventually your hand will get used to it, and you'll be able to do that. And that's part of this exercise, is learning how to manipulate and control our fingers in such a way. Okay, so I'm gonna do it one more time, and then we'll be done. So we're gonna hold that C down for 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. That is exercise 8 from group 2 of book 1. Thank you so much for being here. If you found this video, you know the drill. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will be back next week with exercise 9. See you then.